DXYZ stock tomorrow. Am I buying? Watch this short 1 minute video till the end for a surprise, and also to find out whether I'm buying or selling actually. So Destiny Tech 100 is sitting at $17.05, and looking at it. And now to give you context, I'm using my strategy and system that's previously given me thousands of wins. But looking at it, I'm quite bullish still. But it doesn't mean that I'm automatically buying. So what that means that I'm only really going to be buying if the price gives me the following. And what's the following? I really just want to see the price start breaking above 26.54. And then again, double tap. Not once, not once means nothing. I want to see double break, and only when that happens, I'm buying. So, but this is only valid as long as we stay above this this blue line. If it goes even lower, yeah, I'm just not going to be interested anymore in that. So, just following my rules. Now, check the first link in the description for a free course. Absolutely free. Everything I've learned after 4 years and spending thousands of dollars on courses and mentors myself. So, you can grab a copy for free. Literally.